Hi there, my name is Mrs. Sandra. I'm one of the K-4 teachers, and Pete the cat and I would like to welcome you to our classroom. So come on in. So every morning when you arrive, you're going to find your cubby with your name on it, put your backpack in there, and then I want you to come over to the table with the circles. Every circle will have a name on it, so you will find your name. And then you can choose which center you would like to go to. We have a reading center over here. So you find your sticker, and if you choose reading center, then you put it there on the chart. And then over here we have the block center, which will have Legos, cars, Lincoln Logs, that type of thing. Then over here we have the home living center. And it's a fully stocked kitchen, fully stocked refrigerator. So we have baby dolls and aprons and even takeout menus. Y'all can play restaurant. And then over here we have the art center supplies right here. And this will be the tabletop toys. We'll have more before Monday. And then science. So all these centers you can choose when you first get here. But I'm so excited to see you, and I can't wait till Monday morning. Thank you.